Motivation is the cornerstone of success. Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is the Young Success YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on becoming more motivated in 2018. Let's go. Tip number 1 would be to listen to more podcasts. This is a huge one because the people you're listening to are motivated and they're doing something that you want to do in the future. The 2 podcasts that I listen to right when I wake up is Entrepreneur on Fire and The School of Greatness. These guys are great, and I guarantee they will give you motivation right from the get-go. And that's the important part, because you bum out when you wake up, it is gonna strongly affect your day. Tip number 2 is make a plan. Now you're gonna wanna write this one down and keep it in your planner or keep it on your phone or even just have it remind you every single day, because this one's made a huge impact on my life, and I guarantee it'll do the same for you. Making a plan the day before is so crucial to staying motivated. Without a plan, you have all this wasted time that you're just losing. You're just losing out on that time. So make a plan for when you're gonna wake up, make a plan for what you're gonna do at the end of the day, and then make a vague plan on what you're gonna accomplish in the middle of that time. So just write down a few things that you wanna accomplish for the day, and that will keep you on track. Tip number 3 is set a timer. Now this one's pretty small, but it's really helpful. Setting a timer makes sure that you're not spending too much time doing something when you should be doing something else. Now, tip number 4, this one's huge, and I didn't really know this until about a week ago when I was listening to one of the podcasts I recommended to you on tip number 1. It's been scientifically proven that if your phone is within eyesight of you while you work, is taking 10% of your brain's capacity. That's insane. Put it in your backpack, because I know that the 10% that I'm losing thinking about my cell phone could be going so many other places. So just set a timer and put it in your backpack. And I mean, if you really need to be contacted, keep the ringer on. But other than that, just put it behind you. Get it out of your eyesight, and this will really benefit you. I was kind of debating putting tip number 5 on here in the first place because it takes a little motivation anyway. But once you do it, it will double or even triple your motivation in the long run. This tip is exercise. Exercise brings more oxygen to the brain and can increase your productivity 5 to 10 times what it was. That is incredible. So, I mean, something as simple as taking a jog in the morning or doing 20 push-ups when you wake up, that is exercise, and that will increase your motivation and productivity through the roof. So I hope these tips were motivational. I hope these tips helped you. And if you really like what I have to give you on Young Success YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. All right, that's it for today. This is episode 3 of Young Success, and I'll see you tomorrow.